As the day slowly fades, Bali begins to reveal its magic. The sky transforms into gold and amber, painting the ocean with light. Gentle waves roll to the shore, soft, steady, and calming. A warm breeze carries the scent of the sea, and something more, freedom. Along the shoreline, footsteps gather, travelers from all around the world. Different faces, different stories, yet sharing the same moment. Some sit quietly, watching the horizon, lost in the rhythm of the waves. Others walk barefoot on the sand, feeling every step, every second. Cameras rise, capturing memories, moments they never want to lose. Laughter drifts through the air, light, genuine, and free. Voices blend in many languages, yet all speak the same feeling: wonder. Because Bali is more than a destination. It is a feeling, something you don't just see, but truly experience. The sun slowly dips below the horizon, casting silhouettes across the shore. Couples walking hand in hand, families playing by the water, and travelers finding a place that feels like home. Here, time seems to slow down, giving you space to breathe, to pause, to simply be.